Hey friends, this is Shani in Canada and welcome back. For today, meron akong chika sa inyo friends. Meron akong good news and bad news. So, unahin natin. Anong gusto nyo? Unahin natin yung bad news para masaya at you'll be happy at the end of this video. Especially for international students here in Canada. So, bad news friends, matapos na today, tomorrow, basta end ng April. Today is April 30, right? Ano bang April 31? Basta, end ng April, friends, matapos na yung pwede tayo maka-work up to 40 hours per week. So, if you're an international student and then you're still studying, hindi pa natapos term mo ng studies mo sa program, maka-work ka up to 20 hours ulit. However, this coming fall 2024, international students can now work up to 24 hours per week.